Amazon Audible is a popular audiobook platform that offers millions of titles to choose from. As one of the leading audiobook services, Audible has become a favorite among avid readers and those who want to improve their listening skills. But did you know that you can also make money with Amazon Audible? In this video, we will discuss how you can earn extra income with Audible and what steps you can take to start earning today. There are several ways to make money with Amazon Audible, and the most popular is through their affiliate program. Audible offers a generous commission rate of up to 10% for every sale made through your affiliate link. This means that if you promote Audible to your audience and they sign up for a membership or purchase an audiobook, you can earn a commission on the sale. To get started with Audible's affiliate program, you will need to create an account with Amazon Associates. Once you have signed up, you can search for Audible in the product catalog and generate your unique affiliate link. You can then share this link on your blog, social media, or email newsletter to start promoting Audible to your audience. Another way to make money with Audible is through their bounty program. This program offers a fixed bounty for every eligible Audible membership sign-up or free trial registration. The bounty rate varies depending on the promotion, but it can be as high as $15 per sign-up. To participate in the bounty program, you will need to join Audible's bounty program and follow the instructions to start promoting their promotions. In conclusion, Amazon Audible offers a great opportunity to earn extra income through its affiliate and bounty programs. With millions of audiobook titles to choose from and a generous commission rate, promoting Audible can be a lucrative side hustle for anyone who loves reading or listening to books. So why not give it a try and start earning with Amazon Audible today?